The ReWalk Exoskeleton suit is specially designed for people with a spinal cord injury up to a leisure height of TH4. And it depends on if it's complete or incomplete, and is then specially measured on this special kind of patient. It depends for which kind of group it is designed. It's only for therapy or for home use. Our exoskeleton suit, the ReWalk, is designed for home use, and so it must fit perfectly for the body so that we can avoid some injuries, and it must be perfectly fit outside for using in a home device environment.
The ExoMotus M4 comes with a weight supporting frame to ensure the patient's safety, and it allows the device to be mobile and to walk around the whole rehab centers. And the recent upgrade allows the device to be easily adjustable in the height, and the cushion is also made to be much more comfortable for the training. We hope to incorporate artificial intelligence in the exoskeleton so that we can monitor the patient performance in the training and to change the parameters for the training for the patient to ensure a better therapeutic outcome.